Welcome to Basic Electronics course, Module 2, Session 6. The contents of Session 6 are: we'll look at drain current expression for enhancement type of MOSFET. We'll also look at the problem examples for eMOSFET. Lastly, we'll look at the assignment problem question. As we studied in the previous sessions, right, the transfer characteristics of JFET and the transfer characteristics of depletion type of MOSFET, when operated in depletion mode, both have the same characteristics, so that the Stokes equation is used for both JFET and also for the depletion type of MOSFET when it is used in depletion mode. But when it comes to enhancement kind of MOSFET, the transfer characteristics is not defined by the Stokes equation, but it is governed by the nonlinear equation, which is controlled by gate to source voltage, threshold voltage, and a constant K, which is defined for a device. And this expression is given as ID is equal to K VGS minus a VT whole square. And from the drain characteristics, from any point on the drain characteristics, we can calculate the value of constant K using this equation. K is equal to ID on divided by VGS on minus VT whole square, and it is given in amperes per square voltage. Now we look at the problem examples for an enhancement MOSFET using this nonlinear equation. Example 1, for enhancement MOSFET, threshold voltage VT is equal to 4 volts, ID on is equal to 4 milliamperes, VGS on is equal to 6 volts. Determine to write the general expression for ID and find ID for VGS is equal to 8 volt. Now, if you see in this problem statement, the VT value is given, the ID on is given, and VGS on is given. Using these parameters, first we need to calculate the value of constant K. Once we know the value of K, we can calculate the value of ID for VGS is equal to 8 volt. It means there are two parts to this. First, you calculate the value of K. Once you know the value of K, calculate the value of ID for VGS is equal to 8 volts. First, we calculate the value of K. And which equation do we use it here? K is equal to ID on divided by VGS on minus of VT whole square. And what is ID on? It is given as 4 milliampere. That's the reason we have written it 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. VGS on is 6 and VT is 4. 6 minus 4 whole square. So that you get the value of K as 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 amperes per square voltage, or 1 milliamperes per square voltage. Now, using this K value, calculate the value of ID for VGS as 8 volts. Now substitute the values, so that what is the value of ID you get? You get it as 16 milliamperes. Now we'll go to the example 2. For enhancement MOSFET, ID on is equal to 3.5 milliamperes, VGS on is equal to 4.5 volts, K is equal to 0.45 into 10 raised to minus 3 amperes per square voltage. Calculate the threshold voltage. Now, how do you do this one now? How do you calculate the value? We know the equation. K is equal to ID on VGS on minus of VT whole square. Substitute for K, ID on and VGS on, and the only unknown what we have is threshold voltage. Substitute here. Simplify the expression, so that what is the value of threshold voltage you get it? 1.71 volt. Now we'll go to the third problem. The data sheet for 2N7002 enhancement MOSFET gives ID on equal to 500 milliamperes, minimum at VGS is equal to 10 volts, and VGS TH is the threshold voltage, equal to 1 volt. Determine the drain current for VGS is equal to 5 volt. Now here, this is similar to the first problem here. First, the ID on is given as 500 milliamperes. And at what value you get this ID on value? You get it for VGS is equal to 10 volts, right? So that this is nothing but VGS on is nothing but 10 volt, and the threshold voltage is 1 volt. Using these three values, calculate the value of K. Once you know the value of K, calculate the value of drain current for VGS is equal to 5 volt. Now write the equation for K and substitute the values. Is 510 raised to minus 3 divided by the VGS. This one on is 10. 10 minus of 1 is threshold voltage whole square. So that you get the value of K as 6.17 milliamperes per square voltage. Now substitute for K for drain to calculate the value of drain current for VGS is equal to 5 volt. Now substitute all the parameters, calculate the value of I. You get the drain current value as 98.7 milliamperes. Now we'll look at the assignment question. The data sheet for enhancement MOSFET gives ID on is equal to 100 milliamperes at VGS equal to 8 volts and VGS threshold is equal to 4 volt. Find ID when VGS is equal to 6 volt. This is similar to the third problem examples what we discussed, but the only thing is the VGS value is 6 volts here, and also the current is 100 milliamperes for VGS is equal to 8 volts. Thank you everyone.